Hey, so what are you cooking today?
Hey guys, it's Ahar and welcome to my home. Today I'll be making Qaboli Palao. Qaboli Palao is the crown of Afghan cooking. It is the national dish of Afghanistan, and it's very special dish for any occasions like weddings or any other occasions. This dish requires several steps to complete, like simmering the meat, caramelizing the raisins, the carrots, and there are 2 steps to make the rice. If you love to make this recipe, please keep on watching until the end, and let's cook. So these are the ingredients that we need for a Qaboli Palao, and basically what I'm gonna do is break it down in 3 steps, and I'll show you throughout the video what I'm using for which step. So let's cook together. First step by simmering the meat. So put your heat high and drop some oil. Wow, I can't even open it.
Pop it off.
Okay, I need to go to gym. Wow, excuse me for that.
Somebody gorilla that one.
Okay, so that's enough. That's about like a cup. So these are already pre-fried. Just be sure not to fry them too much, then you will have like a dark black color. So just a minute is okay. And then you can add your meat. Like just a little brown, a little dark brown. Okay, I'm using 2 kilo of meat, beef. You have option of use lamb or beef. So today I'm using beef. It is 2 kilo, and I'm frying it about 5 minutes now. So it is time to add my spices. I'm using garlic, about 1 tablespoon, and I'm using garam masala. Now I'm adding 1 tablespoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon salt, and a pinch of turmeric, just for a little color. You see, it has like a nice brown color already. So if you have pressure cooker, you can cook it about 40 minutes, but I'm using just a regular pot, so I'll be cooking it for 2 hours. It's really nice and juicy, as you can see. Fried my meat for about 10 minutes. Now it is time to add the water, and I really love the color. It's nice and brown. So we will add the water and let it simmer for about 2 hours. So yeah. So your water has to be lukewarm, and soak it about 2 hours before cooking. Wow. So while the meat is cooking, I'm just gonna caramelize the carrots now. That's enough. I'm adding 1 tablespoon sugar, probably half, 1 and a half. I'm using 1 teaspoon cardamom. And a little water. You can mix it on high heat, and then after a few minutes you can cover it for probably a good 5 minutes. Okay, so the meat is ready and it's nice and tender, so we're just gonna put it aside and use the juice for the rice. Just to have that shine for presentation, and don't fry it over 2 minutes. More than 2 minutes. These, I'm just gonna close them, and what I do, I'll just put them in the same pot as rice and steam them all together, so they're really nice and tender. And for the nuts, I will just put them at the end because we want them a little crunchy. So don't put them all together. The nuts, we'll put them at the end. Voila. These are ready. Okay, so now it's time to steam the rice. So I already boiled the water just to make it faster. And make sure not to cook the rice too much because we're adding some meat juice to our palau. So don't cook it too much, otherwise it's going to be too mushy. I will add some salt, probably 1 tablespoon. Okay, so now we're gonna drop our rice. I'm using 5 cups. I added about 5 cups of rice, and also I made sure my water is pre-boiled, and my water is half an inch above the rice, and also cook the rice about 10 to 15 minutes because we don't want it too mushy, because also we're adding meat sauce. Okay, so rice is ready and we're going to strain it. We got some spices, Afghan spices. It's homemade. My mom made it. It's special recipe. I don't know if I can share that with you.
Will that be like another video one day?
Yeah, that could be another video.
Okay.
So I have my meat sauce. I added a little oil, and also I have my rice here, and I have my pot. So we're ready to mix them all together. So what I do, I'll do step by step. So what I mean is like layer by layer. Okay, so I'm just gonna add a little oil. I'm not sure the bottom has enough oil. So my first layer is my rice. Adding the rice. Now I'm adding my masala. It's called Garam masala. You can find it from your local Afghan stores, or yeah, you can make it at home. I'll ask my mom for the recipe and I'll make a video out of this. So that's that. Now I will add my meat sauce. Okay. Mixed everything together and the rice is really nice and brown, golden. And what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna make a few holes. And then we will add our meat. Over. Just gonna drop it. So this is my raisin and my carrot. Just gonna put it on top, and we will steam it about 20 minutes. I will just cover it for 10 minutes. Is medium until you hear the sizzling, rice sizzling, and then you will bring it to minimum. Okay, I think you can hear it if you listen. Listen. Okay, so I have my rice ready, and I'm just waiting for my topping to top the rice up, and we're ready.
Okay.
So you can top it up as you like, any design. Amazing recipe, and I hope you all enjoyed it, and also I hope you all make this recipe. And I'm using my mom's recipe, so I hope I made her proud. And yeah, and also for any makeup looks, makeup tutorials, if you want me to make any videos, please let me know. I would be glad to make videos on makeup looks as well. So, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.